All right, let's unpack this. Because, wow, the world of artificial intelligence just never sits still, does it?
Never no moment.
And Google has just upped the ante again, something that really promises to redefine how we interact with technology.
That's putting it mildly.
So today, we're doing a deep dive into Google Gemini 1.5. Our goal, simple, really, to sift through the comprehensive overview you provided and pull out those essential insights. We want to make sure you walk away truly informed about its features, the tech powering it, and where it could actually take us.
You're absolutely right. And this isn't just, an update. It's more of a foundational shift.
Okay.
We're really looking at how AI processes and understands information. It's laying the groundwork for AI solutions that are genuinely contextually aware.
Right.
It suggests a future where AI isn't just reacting, but truly comprehending the kind of intricate world around us.
A compelling vision, for sure. So for those of us tracking these developments, what exactly is Google Gemini 1.5?
Yeah.
And what's the big headline feature, the thing that sets it apart?
Okay.
Our sources really hammer home something called multimodal capabilities. Can you break that down for us?
Certainly. So Gemini 1.5 is the newest version of Google's AI framework, building directly on Gemini 1.
Got it.
It's designed to significantly boost machine learning capabilities, think more advanced algorithms, leveraging, enormous data sets, and deploying really sophisticated neural networks.
Okay.
The core idea is AI that's more accurate, more efficient, and much, much more contextually aware. And yes, you nailed it. The multimodal piece is absolutely the standout feature.
And what does multimodal actually mean in practice, like for you, the user?
It means Gemini 1.5 can process and analyze data from different sources at the same time, simultaneously.
Okay.
So imagine an AI that doesn't just read the text of an email, but it also interprets the picture attached to it and maybe even gets the nuance in a voice message you sent along with it.
Wow.
It truly understands and generates text, images, and sounds all together.
So for me, the user, what's the benefit?
Well, for you, this simultaneous understanding across different data types creates a much more holistic and interactive experience.
Right. Yeah, makes
It
sense.
moves AI closer to genuinely understanding our diverse world, making interactions feel, way more natural, more intuitive.
Right.
Think about how you experience the world. It's rarely just one sense input at a time. This AI is starting to mirror that complexity.
That integrated comprehension.
Yeah.
Yeah, that really does feel like a foundational leap.
Right.
But what's actually powering this under the hood? I mean, the source material hints at some big core innovations, especially this long context window. What does a 1 million token long context window actually mean for an AI? Is it just bigger?
It's way more than just bigger. That 1 million token window is it's a seismic shift in how AI operates.
Oh.
Historically, AI models had a very limited memory, right? Short context window. They could only handle maybe a few paragraphs, a few images before they kind of lost the plot.
Right, losing the train of thought.
Exactly. With 1 million tokens, Gemini 1.5 can essentially hold in its head an entire movie,
Whoa.
or a massive legal document, or a whole complex software project without losing context.
Okay, that's impressive.
We're talking about an AI that can finally grasp really complex stories, long arguments, intricate code bases. It's moving beyond those old, short-term memory limits that always held AI back from truly engaging with dense, real-world information.
So it's not just more data, it's understanding it within a much, much bigger picture.
Okay.
And you also mentioned a mixture of experts, MOE, and a new architecture. How do those fit in?
Right. MOE, that's a really significant technical breakthrough. Instead of firing up the entire massive neural network for every single little task, MOE lets the model smartly activate only the most relevant expert bits of the network for that specific piece of info.
Like specialists.
Exactly. It makes it vastly more efficient and scalable compared to the old dense models, especially when you're dealing with a context window that huge.
Right. It has to be efficient.
It's like having a specialized team, and you only call the expert you actually need for that specific job. This resource optimization is just critical for making these capabilities work at Google's scale.
That's a clever approach.
Yeah.
And the new architecture part.
Also crucial, it's designed specifically to not just take in Google's massive multimodal datasets, but to learn from them more effectively across text, images, audio, everything.
So it integrates the learning better.
Precisely. It builds a more unified, coherent understanding from all those different inputs compared to older models. That enables the truly integrated comprehension we were talking about.
Got it.
It's a system really built from the ground up for this kind of information diversity and volume. And importantly, on top of all this tech,
Hmm.
Google is specifically highlighting responsible AI development and robust safety features right from the start.
Yeah.
And that's vital. As these systems get more powerful, ethical deployment and safety have to be non-negotiable.
Couldn't agree more. A crucial point. Okay, let's dive a bit deeper into some features. Starting with language. How does Gemini 1.5's enhanced natural language processing NLP push things forward?
Well, enhanced NLP isn't just about, understanding words anymore. It's really taken comprehension to the next level.
How so?
We're seeing it recognize much more nuance in human language. Things like understanding idioms,
Oh, wait. Continue.
detecting sarcasm, even inferring emotional undertones. These are things that have traditionally really tripped up AI systems, made interactions feel, stiff or robotic.
So it's getting beyond just the words to the meaning behind them, to subtleties. That's a huge shift. I mean, imagine an AI actually getting, when you're being sarcastic or understanding an idiom like bite the bullet, without thinking literally.
Exactly. And this is possible because of advanced transformer models analyzing sentence structure and meaning really granularly, building on that huge context window we talked about.
Right.
So, for you, the listener, what does this mean? It means much more meaningful interactions with AI,
Okay.
whether it's chatbots, virtual assistants, content tools. The responses will just feel more natural, more relevant, less like talking to a machine.
Yeah.
And it's not just English, it's NLP works across multiple languages. So businesses can engage customers in their own language with a level of nuance that really boosts satisfaction and reach.
Yeah.
It's a big step towards breaking down digital language barriers.
A global aspect is huge.
Yeah.
Okay, moving from words to pictures. Gemini 1.5 also apparently has big improvements in how it sees and interprets the visual world. What's advanced there?
Yeah, we're seeing much better accuracy and speed in analyzing images,
Yeah.
identifying objects, scenes, even picking up on emotions in photos and videos. It goes beyond just basic object tagging.
Okay.
Our sources give some great examples, like in e-commerce. It could totally change product discovery by accurately tagging and categorizing images based on really intricate details in the content, helping you find products with a precision that just wasn't possible before. Imagine searching for, like, a blue summer dress with cap sleeves and a V-neck, and it actually understands and finds relevant options.
Okay, that would definitely make online shopping easier, more intuitive. What about for content creators?
For creators, yeah, it can assist by suggesting relevant images, maybe even generating new visuals from detailed text descriptions.
Wow.
A creator could just type out a scene they're imagining, and Gemini 1.5 could whip up visual options that match closely.
That's powerful.
And maybe most profoundly, it can accurately describe images for visually impaired users.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Think about what that unlocks for navigating social media, news sites, online stores, when every picture has context. It's a massive step for genuine digital inclusion. It makes the digital world richer and more equitable for everyone.
Absolutely critical. Okay, so we've seen the tech. What does this all mean for the world around us? Gemini 1.5 seems set to make waves across different sectors. Let's look at a few key industries from our sources. Healthcare, for instance. How might this play out there?
Oh, healthcare. The implications are vast.
Yeah.
Gemini 1.5 can really assist medical professionals, analyzing complex patient records, pulling out relevant info, providing insights to improve decision-making.
Right.
Think about its ability to spot subtle trends in huge amounts of clinical data, things humans might miss that could lead to earlier diagnoses or better treatment plans.
That pattern recognition in massive data sets, that's incredibly valuable. The sheer volume is just overwhelming otherwise. What about diagnostics specifically?
Huge potential there, too. Imagine AI analyzing medical images, x-rays, MRIs with super high accuracy, not just speeding up diagnosis, but potentially reducing human error by flagging tiny anomalies.
Acting like a second pair of eyes almost.
Exactly. And for you, the patient, it could improve telemedicine significantly with real-time language translation and transcription. Imagine effective communication with the specialist anywhere in the world, regardless of language barriers. That really opens up access to care.
Better access, better accuracy.
Yeah.
Okay. Next up, education. How could Gemini 1.5 change learning and teaching?
Well, its advanced NLP and multimodal understanding could lead to really personalized learning experiences.
Personalized how?
It could tailor content to each student's specific needs, their learning style, their pace, basically creating a custom curriculum for every individual. That's like the holy grail for effective, inclusive teaching.
A truly personalized education. Sounds amazing. And for the teachers themselves, what's in it for them?
It could be a huge time saver, automating things like grading, providing initial feedback, freeing educators up to focus more on direct student interaction, mentoring, tackling specific learning challenges.
Yeah, letting them do more of the human part of teaching.
Precisely. And again, the multi-language support is key for diverse classrooms. Real-time translation of lessons, discussions, making sure all students can fully participate and understand, no matter their first language. It fosters a much more inclusive environment.
Okay, finally, let's touch on finance. An industry always looking for an edge with data. How does Gemini 1.5 fit in there?
Oh yeah, finance is prime territory. With its advanced analysis capabilities, Gemini 1.5 can process enormous amounts of financial data, market trends, company reports, news feeds, you name it. It can identify complex patterns, assess risk with much greater precision, and make more accurate predictions for investment firms. Think about refining trading strategies or informing long-term portfolio decisions.
And for the average person or the banks themselves?
For you, the consumer, it could mean better customer service. Smarter chatbots handling your questions with more understanding, more efficiency, providing instant personalized help. For institutions, it could seriously boost fraud detection, analyzing transaction patterns, flagging suspicious stuff way faster and more accurately than current systems.
That protects everyone.
Exactly. Protects consumers from losses, protects institutions from big hits, builds more trust and security all around.
So we've talked about these incredibly powerful features, but how do you actually run something this complex efficiently? Our sources mention this kind of balancing act between software and hardware, optimized architecture, efficient neural networks, smart memory management paired with hardware acceleration, specialized hardware, parallel processing. It sounds like a really intricate dance.
It absolutely is. And that shows the leap forward isn't just the smart algorithms, it's the entire system design.
Right.
It's all about ensuring these powerful features are delivered effectively, rapidly. Without that careful balance of optimized software running on really powerful, specialized hardware, well, the complex, multimodal stuff we've discussed just wouldn't be fast enough or practical for the real world. It's smart design meeting powerful engineering. That's what unlocks the potential.
Makes sense. Now, as with any big tech leap, especially powerful AI, we have to talk about the ethics. Our sources flag key concerns: data privacy, algorithmic bias, the potential for misuse. These are crucial conversations.
They're absolutely critical conversations, and it's vital for developers, for organizations, and frankly for you, the user, to tackle these concerns proactively right from the beginning.
Yeah.
Making sure AI deployment aligns with societal values is just as important as the tech breakthroughs themselves. As these systems weave deeper into our lives, we all need to be vigilant about data governance, fairness, and preventing harm.
Well said. Okay, what an incredible deep dive into Google Gemini 1.5. We've covered its core features that enhanced NLP, the improved image recognition, the groundbreaking multimodal processing. We've explored its potential to reshape industries like healthcare, education, finance, all powered by that sophisticated hardware and software balancing act. And just a reminder for now, Gemini 1.5 is rolling out gradually to select partners and developers with wider availability planned down the line.
Right, and given everything we've discussed, its ability to grasp context, nuance, even emotion across text, audio, video, it really raises an important question for you, the listener.
Okay.
How might your daily interactions, how you work, maybe even how you learn, how might those be fundamentally reshaped when AI can truly understand the complexities of our information-packed world in this kind of comprehensive, integrated way? Think about the mental load it could lift, or the totally new ways to be creative or solve problems it might unlock for you personally.
That is a truly thought-provoking question to end on. We hope this deep dive has given you a clearer, more nuanced picture of what Google Gemini 1.5 represents for the future of AI. Keep that curiosity going, and we'll catch you on the next deep dive.